Good afternoon, everybody. This is Krazy Cards with another pack opening. Today we're going to be opening up a Topps Chrome 2026 UFC box. It contains 24 cards, 6 packs, 4 cards in each pack. Let's see what's inside. We're chasing the autographs. We also have cards that could have pieces of the glove on it. That would be crazy. Six packs. Let's start with pack number 1. All right, now everybody knows that these UFC cards are highly sought after. They're really hard to come by. I am pretty new to these cards, so we'll be learning together. We're looking for the autographed cards. Ooh, a face card too. A Sean Strickland. See, now this might be valuable now that he just beat Kamzat. This might be worth some money. In your face card, huh? And then finishing off with Malcolm Wellmaker. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Look at that Sean Strickland card. Let me see. Where's a sleeve at? Did you see some sleeves over there? Yeah, the clear plastic one. Come on, hopefully another banger hit. Sheeming, okay. Torres Finney. Ooh, Rainier De Ritter. And then, of course, you guys already saw the last one. Kyle. Those are alright cards. Garbage. Yeah, look at that Sean Strickland card. Man, where's the... Damn, I know there's something over here. Right here. Bam. Gonna have to look that up. Sean Strickland. Come on. Ooh, Tatsuo Taira. He just got his ass whooped. Still a decent card. Ooh. Global Warriors card. There we go. Bang. Let's sleeve this bad boy out. And then Nazim. Shit. Let's put that right there. Let's see, we got 3 more packs. Come on, come on. Put some hits in there. Oh, shit. Look at that. Look, I just opened it up. A Refractor card. Let's fucking go. That's some money right there. It's a Tatsuo Taira card, too. We're going to look at the front of it at the end. Let's see if we get another hit. Tim Elliott. Zhu Rong. Oh! Oh, look at that. 2 of them in 1 pack. Alex Pereira. Beautiful It's not the refractor version, but it's still a good card. Alex Pereira. And then, bam, look at the refractor version. Oh, just look at that bad boy. Look at that. It says refractor on it. Holy shit. Bang, let's see. Oh shit. Ilya. That's the last card. Well, that one's gonna be a decent ass card too. Krazy Cards, okay. Now we're getting to some people I know. Casey O'Neill, okay. Oh shit. This is a two-face card. Holy fuck. Good thing I decided to rip. We are smacking them right now. Look at that. Impact point card. 4. Look at that beautiful. Ooh. And then bam, look at the Ilya Topuria card. Look at that. Bang. Okay. Let's leave those bad boys up. One last pack. Last pack magic. Let's get it. Miranda Maverick at the end. I don't know. Hopefully that's not a foreshadow into the rest of the cards. Fatima Klein. Oh. Another championship card. Bang. And another in your face. A Justin Gaethje one. Straw weight. Not a refractor, but still a good ass card. Strawweight champion. Then we got the in your face Justin Gaethje. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. And that was me opening up a Topps Chrome 2026 UFC Box.